Right, okay guys, girls, welcome back for another video. How you doing? I've not uploaded for ages. I miss you all. So I thought I'd get a video out today. I'm feeling a little bit better. If you don't know, if you don't follow me on social media, actually you can follow me Instagram / I think it's the Turbo Tony official. I'll link it in the description. And if you don't want to follow me there, you can follow me on Facebook. I've got a Facebook page. I'll also link that somewhere here in front of the screen. Yeah, guys. Actually, I've not been really well. I've been very, very unwell these last few weeks. I don't want to get into it because it's a lot of negativity and a lot of bad, you know. I don't want to put them bad vibes on everybody. So we're just after Christmas. We're not into New Year yet, so it's not actually a bad day. It's been raining this morning. I thought I'd get a bike out, give a good blast. We got the Black Widow full decat exhaust on at the moment. I don't know what you can hear through this microphone and my helmet, but damn, it sounds good. Yeah, I'll tell you what, it turns heads, and I know it's too loud for the English roads here in the UK. It is way too loud, but damn, it makes you feel good. Damn. So I'm gonna ride it until I get fined or whatever I need to do, and then we'll deal with it afterwards, no doubt. But anyway, guys, how you doing? Hope you've all had a great Christmas. Hope you've all got lots of bike mods under your tree. I got a few, yeah, I did, and we've got them coming up probably in the next video, I hope. I got a new end can. I'm not going to tell you what it is right now, unless you follow me on social media, then you probably know what it is. I basically just got it for the YouTube program so that I can show you different exhausts and whatnot for the Ninja. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bit of a comparison, and then I'm going to give one away. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let you vote on what you think is the best or the worst, whatever, and then I don't know, if you want one, I'll literally just give one away. The only things have to be is you have to have a Ninja and you have to be in UK. So that's coming up next video after that. I'm not sure yet. Like I say, I've not been well and I'm not 100% yet, so I'm just sort of trying to do videos as and when I can at the moment. Oh, I'll tell you what else I got as well. I finally got my hands on an R&G tail tidy for the back of the bike. I've been after one for ages, and with all the you know, virus stuff going on, you know, I've found it hard to get hold of one. R&G's been sold out for well over a year. Then they got a bit of stock and I missed out on that, and they're back into, I don't have any anymore, but luckily I've managed to get one, so that's coming up. But anyway, I'm just going to get through Home Firth, because that's where we're heading now. I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to go for a blast over at Tops, depending what weather's like over at Tops, because you know, down here, start at Pennines, the weather is rough. It's always windy, it's always raining, and I tell you what, I've eaten that much for Christmas dinner the last few days, I barely fit into my bloody bike jacket. So that's something else we need to sort out at New Year. So if we can stop eating as much rubbish, drop a bit of weight. So what I want to know in the comments, guys and girls, did you get any bike parts for Christmas off your loved ones? Or did you buy yourself bike parts for Christmas? And if so, what did you get? Hit us up in the comments below, because that's interesting. Right, okay, we're going to get through Home Firth and we're going to blast over at Tops. Right, okay, back into national speed limit, which is 60. And we're at 60 already. if you can see that view down there, that's a right view. We've got all Huddersfield. You definitely won't be able to see Castle Hill. Damn! Got a car up my arse now. See what I mean? Crap all over the road. Just take it steady. Woohoo! I'll tell you what, damn, it sounds so good, this bike, honestly. Just checking out the view. So nice up here on these hills. Using auto blipper down. Go on, drop, drop, drop. Oh, God, I can't get over that sound. So nice. So illegal as well. Just got Asbro written all over it for noise. I can't put the baffle back in, so if I'm going to do any town riding, I will stick the baffle back in. It does make a difference. Yeah! Guys, if you've got one of these Ninja 1000 SX 2020 onwards, get a decap pipe. Just get one. Yeah, they probably drone on a little bit when you're touring, and it is a touring bike, but I'm going to turn left because there's always horses down here and I can already see an horse. So let's not go that way. Thinking about the locals, you know. But yeah, there's going to be sorry, what am I on about? I forgot what I'm on about there. Yeah, I'm talking about exhaust, so back to exhaust. They do drone on a little bit, you know, the decap pipes, well that's why you got a baffle. And the good thing about, especially the Black Widow, you can take the baffle out of the back, so you'd have to take the exhaust off from like some brands, you know what I mean? And stick the baffle in and it does not drone on at all. In fact, what I'm going to do is I've already done a comparison video, but what I haven't done is a sort of long journey comparison video. I will do that actually, because with it being a sport touring bike, I think it matters that, you know, your bike doesn't drone on long distances. You're out 4, 5, 6 hours a day, it's going to give you a bad headache. You know, an hour or two here and there is no. Sounds so good. But the feeling you get off a decap pipe on this when it goes pow, pow, pow. Whoa, yeah. Pretty sure it doesn't spit flames though. But yeah, it's so easy to want to race when you got them noises coming out. It just gives you that enjoyment. You want to go faster, you want to hear that roar, you want to hear them pops and bangs, rattles. Is it running lean? I haven't had it tested, so I don't know whether the bike's running lean or not, but I'll be honest with you, it starts fine, it runs fine, even at lower revs, you know, at like 20 mile an hour, 15 mile an hour, the bike is absolutely brilliant on fueling, even with the decat exhaust. The last I looked, there's still no ECU tuning out for this model of bike yet, and that's December 2021. So they keep saying they're going to bring one out. Yeah, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It hasn't come yet, as far as I'm aware. No sexual innuendos there, but there is no ECU remap out yet, I believe. And I've rung round everybody, and just stick. Honestly, just stick the decap pipe on all the way through. You don't need nothing for it. Stick it on, run it. Brake is brilliant. It fueling's great. It idles great. It starts great. It sounds fucking awesome. My language. Why wouldn't you? Well, yeah, I get why you might not. You might be a bit older and got boring and this bike. I've found I'm a bit younger than, you know, I'm in my 30s, and I find this is a great bike, so I don't want to be upsetting my subscribers by saying this. So I can completely understand if some of you guys don't want to put a decap pipe on, but you know, it's a sport touring, so you can either go the sport side or the more touring side. I'll try to do the best of both worlds. You know, I've kind of got it sporty with you know, darked out windscreen up front and loud exhaust and just a few little sporty things there to make it look good. And I've also got the touring panniers I can stick on whenever I want, so I can still do touring. Stick baffles and exhaust, excuse me, and off you go. And you know, it's great. I think that's what this bike's about. You can do both. You can do sport, you can do touring, and if you want to edge more towards touring, you do that, that's fine. Do you know what? I said this in every video, but the Ruroc 2.0, the visor is not sealed all the way around, and it lets a little draft in, and the draft runs across my face and it dries back on my throat out. It's terrible, especially when you're trying to talk on a moto vlog as well. Right, okay guys, girls, that's it from me today. It was just a short video, just try and get a video up, because I haven't done one for ages. We've been a little bit unwell, but if you just bear with me, I'll get as many videos as I can up as soon as I'm feeling a bit better. But yeah, it's dirty already, it's grit all over. I'm going to have to take it for a wash just to get that grit off. But guys, please like, subscribe, comment. Peace.